In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide taskbar on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So to hide taskbar, very simple step. Firstly, right click on taskbar, then click on taskbar settings. In this list, you will find option automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So turn on this option. So as we can see now, taskbar is hidden. And when you need just hover cursor to downside, so you will able to see this taskbar. And when you working on your task, and when you working on your this desktop PC, so taskbar will be hidden. That's it. So very simple step to hide taskbar on Windows 10 PC. Just you need to hover cursor to taskbar, then right click, and in this option select and turn on this automatically hide the taskbar on desktop mode. And if you change your mind and you want to stay taskbar, so turn off this option. That's it. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.